Welcome to Python Lessons YouTube channel. This is my first video where I will introduce you with Python programming language. First, Python is very beginner friendly. The syntax is extremely simple to read, most of which can be understood even if you don't know any programming at all. This is the reason why it's a great language where you can dive into programming. Python is a high-level programming language for general-purpose programming created in 1994. Python provides constructs that enable clear programming on both small and large scales of program. According to the 2018 Developer Survey by Stack Overflow, as you can see in this picture, Python is the most wanted technology of the year. In addition, it ranks as the world's 7th most popular programming language among professional software developers. According to this table, top 3 main job roles of Python developers are data analyst, data scientist, engineer, and software developer. According to Popularity of Programming Language Index, Python moved to the first place and became the most popular programming language to learn. The PyPal index is a leading indicator. It's created using raw data from Google Trends, which analyzes how often language tutors are searched for on Google. The more a language tutorial is searched, the more popular the language is assumed to be. So as you can see, there is chosen Java, Python, C#, JavaScript, and C and C++. And as you can see, Python during 10 years period had the most growth. So Python is a great choice in my eyes because of several notable features. It uses clear, readable, elegant syntax, making the program you write easier to read. Python is an easy-to-use language that makes it simple to get your program working. This makes Python ideal for prototype development. It comes with a large standard library that supports many common programming tasks such as connecting to web servers, searching text with regular expressions, reading and modifying files. Python can be embedded into an application to provide a programmable interface. It can run anywhere, including Mac, Windows, Linux, Unix, Raspberry, or others. Python is free software in 2 sentences. Python doesn't cost anything to download to include it in your application or even for commercial projects and applications. So, Python can be used to make games, do data analysis, predictions, control robots and hardware, create guides, or even to create websites. Python can be used in many applications. There is several examples. Web development using frameworks such as Django and Flask. Python allowed to be effectively and widely used in scientific and numeric computing by using SciPy, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Python is often used as support language for software developers to build control, management, and testing systems. Also, Python in business application is also used to build e-commerce systems. For example, Odoo is an all-in-one management software that offers a range of business applications that form a complete suite of enterprise management applications. So, who uses Python? Since 2003, Python has consistently ranked in the top 10 most popular programming languages in the Programming Community Index, where, as today, it's among 4 most popular languages, together with Java, C, and C++. It was selected Programming Language of the Year in 2007 and 2010. An empirical study found that scripting languages such as Python are more productive than conventional languages such as C or Java. It was determined that memory consumption was often better than Java and not much worse than C or C++. By the way, large organizations that use Python include Wikipedia, Google, Yahoo, Kern, NASA, Facebook, Amazon, Instagram, Spotify, Reddit, and many others. So if they use Python, why shouldn't you use it? And I think probably you have a question, what you can do with Python? So Python is a fully functional programming language that can do anything almost any other language can do, but with Python you usually can do it faster and simpler. Actually, with Python you can do things like graphical user interfaces, web frameworks, multimedia, databases, networking, test frameworks, automation, web scraping, documentation, system administration, scientific computing, text processing, image processing, and much more. As you can see, there are many strong advantages to using Python. It involves less code, less time, and less money. It's legitimized and approved by data scientists, and now it's one of the most popular programming languages in search engine. I must mention that Python might be slow in performance compared to other languages. This could mean it's not very good language for mobile development. However, if this is the case, why is it still so popular? Firstly, speed is not always the number one priority when considering other important elements of programming, such as productivity. Secondly, software performance is overrated. Programmer performance tends to be more important nowadays. If you look at the most popular Python projects, you will notice the vast majority are not performance critical, and even if they are, there is a possibility to write the critical parts in C or C++ and the rest in Python. In conclusion, it is fair to say Python is one hell of a powerfully simplistic and productive tool for programmers, data scientists, and simultaneously being a cost-efficient tool for clients. So, I encourage you to use it and to learn it together with me in my further tutorials. If you like my first video, smash up the likes button and subscribe my channel. This will help me to grow and make new tutorials. Text version of tutorial and links are left in video subscription. So, see you in the next tutorial.